Hello, this is a quick review on pop-on veneers. Actually just got my veneers not that long ago. The purpose of the reason why I decided to get pop-on veneers was because, as you can see, I had a lot of different spacing in my mouth, which I need pop-on veneers. This is the impression kit, and everything was that they send you in the mail comes within 2 days. Everything pretty much it's pretty easy to do. You get 3 impressions that you are able to bite down. It was a short process. I got my veneers probably within 3 weeks or so, and comes in this case. Pop-on veneers. Like I said, I've always kind of been a little bit insecure about my mouth, about my smile. I do construction, so it's very critical that I'm actually able to speak to people and speak with a lot of confidence. So what I am going to do is just put this here real quick and show you my veneers, and like I said, how everything looks. Been a great experience so far. So comes in like this. Alright, so these are for the bottom. You click in. You hear a pop. It means they're in place. That's the bottom one. Great. Okay. These are the top ones. You see, nice 3D molding. Kind of goes in between your teeth. And this is a game changer for sure. Anybody that actually it doesn't hurt at all. Very much goes in the gum line. At first, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to talk. Just getting used to it. So this is the top one. Click in, as you see. They fit perfect. I said 3D moldings and everything. Big difference. Alright. Thank you, Pop-on Veneers, for all your work that you guys do. I appreciate everything that you guys have done. It's been a few days and got a lot of great reviews from everybody, both my family, customers and stuff like that. So I appreciate everything you guys do. Love you guys. Thank you so much.